I am a cat. I am soft and small. I have 4 legs. I have 2 ears. I have 2 eyes. I have a nose. And I have a long tail. I say meow, meow. Can you say it? Meow, meow. I like to run, jump, and climb. I love to sleep too. I eat fish and drink milk. People love me because I am cute and playful. I live in houses, gardens, and sometimes on farms. I am a cat. Do you like me?